Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina and in this video I am showing you how to do a Sun Salutation A. If you're a newbie in terms to yoga and you're looking forward to go into your first yoga class, this is the video you must watch. Let's go. The first one is gonna be a very slow one, beginners version. Starting in the front of the mat, in Tadasana with the feet together, elongating the spine, engaging the core muscles, rolling the shoulders back, taking a deep inhale, lifting the arms up. Exhaling, folding forward from the hips, pressing the palms down. You can bend your knees if you have to. Inhale, lift up halfway, straighten the spine. You can place the palms on the shins. Make sure that you straighten the spine. Exhale, press the palms down, and this time we step back with the right leg. So we step back, one leg, we step the other, so we're in a plank right now. Wrists, shoulders, elbows in line. From here, very beginner's version, we lower the knees down, relax the toes back. We lower the chest down, we keep the elbows inside. We take a deep inhale, and we lift up into a cobra or an upward facing dog. Upward facing dog means that we're lifting also the knees from the mat. Exhaling, going back into a downward facing dog. Downward facing dog, we spread well the fingers, we take a deep inhale, we lift the hips towards the sky and we try to bring the heels closer towards the mat. Opening the shoulders, looking towards the front. And we start walking our feet towards the front of the mat till the feet reach the front of the mat and are between the palms. And inhaling, slowly lifting up, rolling the shoulders vertebra by vertebra, lifting the arms up together and in front of the heart center into Namaste. To do a full round, we need to do the other side as well. Same beginner's version, we're going to do the other side. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. Make sure your core muscles are strong so we support the lower back. Pressing the palms down, we can bend the knees a little bit if we have to. We can either use blocks. Inhaling, lifting up halfway, straightening the spine. Exhale, press the palms down. This time we step back with the left leg. We step back with the left, then with the right, and now we are in a plank. Making sure that the core is strong, the wrists, shoulders, and elbows are in line. We lower the knees down, relax the toes. We bring the chest down, keeping the elbows inside. And we lift up either in a cobra or in an upward facing dog. Lifting back up into a downward facing dog, pressing the palms down, spreading well the fingers, bringing the hips towards the heels, towards the sky, and the heels as close as we can towards the floor. We can look towards the front, and we can even step if you want, or just take little steps forward till our feet reach the front of the mat between the palms. And inhaling, rolling all the way up the spine, bringing the palms up and in front of the heart center into Namaste. So we're gonna do the Sun Salutation again, this time without bringing the knees down, we'll do the full Chaturanga. So Vinyasa is the middle part of the Sun Salutation, because a lot of times in yoga classes you'll hear move through your Vinyasa. So your Vinyasa, it's basically, the part from Chaturanga, so basically from the plank and the whole, movement till we go to downward facing dog. We're gonna do this again right now, and I will mention where is the Vinyasa and where is the Chaturanga part. So starting again from the front of the mat in Tadasana, taking a deep inhale, lifting the arms up. Exhaling, folding forward from the hips. Inhale, lift up halfway, straighten the spine. Exhale, press the palms down, step back with the right leg, left leg, and now we're in a plank. And now we move through our vinyasa, and what we're going to do now is called chaturanga. We bring the weight forward, we keep the knees in the air, we lower down the chest, and we move through the cobra or upward facing dog. This whole thing is called vinyasa and chaturanga. And we inhale, go back to a downward facing dog. Looking towards the front of the mat, walk, step, or jump towards the front of the mat. And slowly inhaling, lifting the arms up, bringing the palms in front of the heart center. And we're going to do one more, really a flow like a professional yogi already. Taking a deep inhale, lifting the arms up. Exhaling, folding forward from the hips, supporting the spine. Inhale, lift up halfway, straighten the spine. Exhale, press the palms down, step back with the left leg, move through your vinyasa. Bring the weight forward, lower the chest, cobra or upward facing dog, going back to downward facing dog. Looking towards the front and just walk, step, or jump towards the front of the mat, feet between the palms. Inhale, slowly roll the spine up, roll the shoulders back, bring the palms up above the head and in front of the heart center into Namaste. And this is how we do Sun Salutation A. Beginner's version and the version that everybody does as well in all yoga classes, either beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Sun Salutation is a great sequence to do in the morning, of course. That's why we salute the sun, to start the day with great energy and to basically engage, all the muscles in the body and to lift the heart rate, raise the heart rate a little bit up as well in the morning, and have an amazing day after doing this sequence. I hope that this video was useful for you. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy it, if you enjoy my content. Thank you so much for your support. And join me here on my channel for more amazing content related to a happy, healthy lifestyle. See you soon. Have a beautiful day and do this sun salutation, at least twice a week. Kisses and great vibes.